What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2019 model here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So you need to be in the vehicle with your key, and we need to turn the ignition to the run position. On a push button start ignition, you're going to need to press it 2 times. Once you have your ignition in the run position, we're going to use the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and we're going to scroll down until we see the vehicle info screen, like that. Once you have the vehicle info menu up like that, then you're going to want to press the over button, left or right depending on which screen you're on, but we're going to scroll over until we get to this screen where it says oil life. And then we're gonna press and hold down the OK button, and that's what's gonna reset it. So press and hold that down. And as you just saw there, it went to 100%. That's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.